Yeah, I done already had at them Swiss rolls. I'm on to these zebra cakes right now. And the only reason for the video, well, like if you order some zebra cakes on the internet, here they are tomorrow. This is what, and when you get them, you immediately shove them up in that freezer, freeze them hard as a rock for later. And this is one of them I just drug out just now to, you know what, it's one of them situations where good gets better. Like when they shipped that box down here to me, it got crushed. No, take it back. The box ain't. The box perfectly good. It's the rough handling that they get smushed together like that. And what I'm telling you, that if you have some of these, that's them zebra cakes right there. Okay, that's what we're dealing with right there. That's when good got better right there. Look at that zebra cake all smushed up and frozen hard. Yeah, the question, hot chocolate, instant, boiling water, and some kind of powdered stuff. Well, man. Oh, yeah. I think one of them questions you would have is, if you was to, on this internet, if you was to question the masses, what the answer would be? I'm just saying. That question being, on the next level I'm talking about. Spaghetti warmed up from 3 nights back. I have some cheese to put on it, Parmesan in a shake can, recent, fresh. So, yeah, the question for the whole video, the reasoning is it okay to have that zebra cake with spaghetti? Store-bought glass bottle, warmed up 3 days, and that, as compared as a side dish, you would consider this zebra cake as, well, let's call it dessert, and go ahead and answer it. And if you would differ, leave a comment. From here in Middle Tennessee, and they call me Shop Dog Sam here on YouTube. Hey, y'all leave a comment, pass it on to a subscriber. Pass it on to a friend, subscribe if you ain't, kind of helps the boy out.